omunka ewo eye audio yi mu yenti kakra
okay omu ko meeting ewo kotwi na enipa call ho bi me hu din na me wura ho because I respect him a lot hudu yaya Feza Ibrahim say Mangano said they were Winnie Pen Charles Amani Ya Berima and Yamin himself. There were other people. I'm be 25. Na omu call meeting wo Kuchi. Eye street in a friend Yamin Junction. Last stop Kuchi. Yamin fee enum koi.
I see.
No mu koi no. Oma some mo can say. President, the am say president, emphasis way serious. Now national security should act fast.
And yes,
Oma is so desperate to say NDC4 they will kill to get power. And this time, not even Ghanaians. They want to kill expatriates. Yes. They will follow expatriates to their houses and kill them. To make it seem say internationally say Ghana any stable. Na Mahama aye to that effect waka say Ghana any stable. So they want to do this to confirm say Ghana any stable.
No more create state of insecurity.
Right. And they will start killing diplomats, expatriates, the president. Oma national security man na monitor na omu protect expatriate no oma yo imagine say omu de begu ani mase kuma senso ni omba en say abrofo wo ho eye Nhyira fan askwa ahodwo ade beba area no any foreigner what ho no omu titewa omu di motos we say wura ufie pe no ma rush no ma bekun omu kunwa no ma sheda fa bibi ho tisania eye robbery many working all these guys should be arrested because I can prove time place everywhere Kumasi fu otie mi eye meboa say Yamin what you coach
and non FM
very evil boy na yatia ma Lebanese ebe detective so Indian no Lebanese so on a detected the destiny of Ghanaians and Ashantis especially here Indian or Lebanese detecting the destiny of Ghanaians and Ashantis who born dog. Who born dog? I have told security agents about this before, meeting back when going. I am not going to say anything again. I'll always blow the cover. Because security for only investigation. Check. That is what they're going to do. Say, Ombe kum for a create insecurity at the gu MPP animasi. Enti Uye Brunio, uye Hwang, Nati Ahonjo, Adia Beba, and a squaw. Beef your security because one drums over the motors and a beba. The motors and a beko, a few. We are a drum, especially Kejetia. One more target, they say, if they get between 28-30% of Ashanti voters, they've won the election. So they'll destabilize Ashanti region. And the market women, no, especially Oma you Omanum so young people for Omano Dino. Omba use market ho watchman for security for to burn the market. They'll pay any amount to convince them to burn the market. The KMA boss, regional commander. Mama money na ho Ashanti region, especially Kumasi. Yamin otikochi. Mimi tinkran. Eti mi chira mo say Yamin tikochi. And enra omu committee won fie. The last time anam here omu committee no wo me yonkun wayo hini apia bibi oye ensa ajapia ajapia kurom ajapia fie ni a omo se kwa na twam no oba bi fie e honum committee o mayo madwin say they will ban installations like electricity and all those this time so mbashishi market we are chairman sentie ni ye na matikura say o ma start advert say bodybuilders o my home macho men baba ye conference say omu pe peace honorable chairman sentie ni ye omu pe peace ewo Ashanti region is a lie. Matise omu ye advert no krabi. Guys are omu leadi. King George. Anna Faisal Ibrahim no. Ne leadi. Enti omu person omu invite chairman and obe chairman. Because oma pretend say omu pe peace. Enti hono oba omu kikansam na omu de ntokwasi ni abonutuo. Masa wamu tiyo na mudi amudi nsem diagro wamu tiyo ma yomu gentle MPP for gentle. You are dealing with evil people. First meeting BBM chairman Sami and Abronye, it has come again. I'm going to tell Abronye so the anoma comedy. And the chairman sa honorable chairman sa Obia invite you say Ashanti region bodybuilders macho men say omu pe peace. Intino ye invite you na be chairman.
Omu pe peace and talk
na ukope you are dead. Yes, and some of them do know. Akwano King George no ni training center no ewo Kronom. Muntieni ye national security for muntieni ye.
The Kronom so ya honorable chairman constituency.
Good. Ote Kronom hono chere na yi ni center na omu training boys no ne yi. Sa Faisal Ibrahim no a omu so aye o man Ghana ayi pen no. Omu ho. Ni nyina ye NDC for na ehase.
And now, Kro Yi Mu Nsem.
Observe my main fan to just say the Kennedy Japan on one station on Man FM or Kansan. I do not in any way have any evidence to confirm or deny the Nsema outcome. But me what region we na me concern it's only appropriate say 1 hour bobo undini be. Ya take it up for your Kronom or your Kwako, but it's only appropriate say an pennyful bekasa for them to also tell us it be our motive voice, you know, what they also say about this. And I'm playing this voice not because I believe it, not because I doubt it, but because I want us to interrogate it more with Mpenimfuya Yabobondi. A very serious allegation, and I think that the citizens are listening. Joseph Yamin, your former deputy regional minister, former deputy sports minister, former regional secretary for the NDC, and of course, just defeated regional chairman for the party. Mr. Yamin, and Ope Mwache Nhyira FM. Hello, Mr. Yamin.
Kobi.
I'm pumped to say.
Nyami adaruma. Abaya one support me. I say ya with this. Dibi akama. What come is my blue cover.
Oh, Debbie. As a now candidate, also so there. Menewa, we are the who's a man support too.
And I said when you see Debbie just defeated.
Oh, Debbie, sir, I can see.
Who said a new movie?
I mean, and to me, you are no free CV, so.
No, they say Kenya achievement.
And there you tried your best, just that your best was not enough.
Not good enough.
Because because I see you to be an innocent person and a very serious allegation. If these things are true, I mean, this is serious. Well, we use and yeah,
you didn't come watch it.
Achepa.
I never know what Ubo tape in the oh, yeah, and then I will say, look, say, Ghana is a serious country and then another Danko Kufuadwa. By now, I was arrested in the Japan.
And you, of course, so I've also been invited.
Me say, by now, the man is making an allegation. What can I just like that? Before I bet me about taking me on, which I am ready for them. The security agencies being an official
complainant or something like that. Yeah.
And I was saying that o make his statement Nanke yakwa chino.
But we tell was all the Ama security agencies.
Oh, and the minimum so the Ama. Because me know say if you ada ahumachi in fact ade chimemenda. 10 police people from Accra, from National Security, look, I am more intelligent and more sensible than Canada, Japan. The move change will be me no say or more ha or my Kumasi have from if I don't to Accra around 9 p.m. Friday evening. It will Kumasi at dawn. Or more has a see a no cafe or moon walk or Finso area honum. I'm no cafe here any pattern. So if the national security the Omoya de Ocean in Japan or Busan.
But you are saying it. I mean,
but then tell me the Makana Makatue. May say, and he did not just say that. But if your national security are there acting on an unintelligent intelligence. Na ya budget ni aswanko fu egu ka mu de o ma begun Kumasi ha a o mu ti Kumasi ha to take an action on innocent people just because somebody a friend in Japan are making unnecessary and useless allegations on the radio station. National security picks it up and obia yedin obia nkasa. Look, but you said in your initial comment, what's the Sanko man is serious? He should be arrested. Now you are also condemning an intelligence or more press or more picky, even if they should arrest. I mean, it's a double standard from your end. You see, the man is to be arrested and put out a official document. Meno Okasa CA, he has not in any way, apart from being on radio. Meanwhile, Asuman Krofua on one Kasa radio so or say Kasa and Krofua. And indeed, we know Sam Krofua people who are working for him, people who are not in any way official members of our national security, but yet the national security in your mama just to perpetuate an illegality in the name of national security back in Japan. Japan, the control. So what you're saying is that the supposed national security police for Nabano were sent by Japan, but not the national security. No. I'm saying Japan or Kasa will be anti-me kebi. I'm saying Japan or Bibia will be anti-me kebi. And he does what he wants to do, and he can go ahead. No, the names are to Adia Bachini Kumsa and Pakrono, and nobody talks about it. And he can still go ahead and do the way. Kofi, my man can be say a kind member, young be a kind member of Ghana hacking a Japan count. Remember the next the category of a man, Yerenum group no. And it is MP before the Surukin a Japana, Yanum be Suru. But Pasia Binti, Metal Land Cruiser, Namasanya radio station. If he said, Azumi Aminoka say, Achabroswa by the end of this week. I'll file a case against Canada, Japan. I see. I know you're one. Two, as some Canada, Japan, they are two abundant. So what's the main challenge, no? No, we prove. So, national security for Canada, Japan as their source of information. And need the answer what me actually be I meet. ewo eye Kochi nti wo intelligence minim ni fie wo ewo Fosu minim ni fie ewo Fosu. Is that an intelligence?
Okay.
Yami wo fie na kene Japan ti akra na wo nim ni fie dia na je ono agaza no onye politician.
Okay, and now Yamin Mijiri say yamra the substantive issues. One,
yes.
Ufie Wukuchi.
That's right.
Ufie Wukuchi, right? Okay. Were there a meeting na Feza Hudiyaya ne sampani fwe Ufie over the week?
Feza number 1 or MPP ni. Feza number 2 or Juma national security. Feza number 3 or your personal bodyguard to Asuma Chireme, Minister for Mines and Energy. In this can Japan saying so Mankasa Bamu for and I mean you muye meeting just to overthrow on one abine. The last time who face that many who face that was in 2011. Ebra will win Ghana's most strongest, if my memory that won't serve me right. Nipa Canada upon Mudino, and that is why I say Kwasi Bintimeto Land Cruiser, because the minister Mania Land Cruiser. Medicated Japan, who made the Land Cruiser a free neck in Japan at Daurum, because I will sue him big time, and I will take that and make me in the radio station, Kwana Messapas and Major. Near the mat and Yansa for no year, because almost radio notion and Kwasa Semquano, Kakakansa. Radio Nankasan say, but more handle radio, no, or more, they are not helping the media. The last time I saw Hudiyaya was 1 year ago. Nipa no bubu mudino. Dear me, mahuno enche ye kra. Hudiyaya. And that is 1 year plus. The last time a National Congress would trade fair. Ni Hudiyaya and him say that menen kasa or phone so that. Omo ma candidate e bi ho kura odi omu gina din no boboy and odi ni gina ho say amin. So who gave Kenya Japan that intelligence?
So one, you are saying sir unhu Feza for the last 6 months, 1 year.
Monfre Feza na mbusa na say when was the last time I met?
And there has not been any meeting, so including you, Hudiyaya, and that they were with over the weekend.
Masadi Kaka say Hudiyaya. The last time I saw Hudiyaya was National Congress, not the National Chairman.
Okay, Yamin, so but I'm sorry you use some words. I'm sorry, I don't want you to repeat them again. Our network is because we can't say Kwasian and those things. No, they are not words that are of.
But for me, voice I say me evil, and I
was not able to control voice on working on a radio station. So.
Okay. Okay. So with the free one. Hello.
Yamin.
Yes.
Mr. Let's for now I'm with you one-on-one. I should be able to manage what you say and I'll be responsible probably for what you say. For the purpose of a good discussion, you know, let's have a very decent discussion. Why? Now it for Enya Ntase or the air council. And you want to word the man. Wait, mark all your words. Probably I better win the item, but still better. No, but me who say me the item. And etwamunti yen to aso na yen Jesus Christ ka say nkwasiafo yi odi o matem. It was right to use those words. And so we are support to say them years of we are say nya no kra ka kire me. Ma menya dwuma bimra na menya some clarification. Feza Ghana's strongest, one time Ghana's strongest. Feza Azan, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Na empom te say
Namadom boko na moto e.
Nyamiadom. Eni demu what ye Iraq and the Japan and allegations be a why yes when Yamin Makwe meeting when fie over the weekend.
Somewhere around Thursday in a month for premise as you listen to radio, but unfortunately many time until later recordings.
Okay, until when you quiet recordings no.
That's right.
Da ben na Yamin Mkoye meeting.
Oh, but the Dinico boy because if he's Ibrahim.
Yeah.
First of all, maybe if he's Alasa.
And or qualify now as Ghana's strongest.
Yeah.
And anything am I afraid with because you are one-time Ghana's strongest.
Yeah, I'm saying recording it so the or can clarify na hono me the send them.
Okay.
And to say come bomb it if we and clarify now because I don't have any intents of those kind of.
But need you move for the purpose of the discussion. You young quite young boy inti. But the other just or can they clarify who voice in mama wo.
I'm the voice in my little gas and your face no body for.
Okay.
Na be a face and you will be on the machine and on
one. Yamin so kase you are rather an MPP, not NDC, but are we MPP?
Political specialty, and but originally the party to be belonged to.
But who are you working with national security this year?
We had more presidency.
Okay. Now we aid to Asmachreme.
Aid to Asmachreme. Aid is a different thing, but I work with Asmachreme.
Oh, okay. When Asmachreme, the current Lands and Natural Resource Minister.
Yes, I for a very long time.
But when Joseph Yamin any relationship in terms of meetings?
The last time coming home, that man. Yeah.
I see. And okay, wow, Kase Canada Japan at the tail end of common beer or clarify no hunti. But when you quite friend bisano quite fast we need those things a ban and come with you.
Well, I'm the tip about weekend. Weekend and as I Monday and some duty.
Okay.
Yeah, and to me said but we are make officials and all that. We know more absolutely.
We are worried when your calls that was a dear Babonti.
Very, very, very worried because as a dear Unimotion send you a boy being buying to this time no. And then be by but you know where it's coming from. So definitely I worried. And calls also from outside no see more.
I see.
Because them some food programs and more but
effort be now put to say finally you bet ma clear with din kra over sataga air bay
Juma your penny for show mass.
Okay.
And then Monday near bed at the end of the day the many penny for bed discuss it. So whatever be the case they will lead it forward.
At the presidency department be now.
National Security Operative.
Okay, and let's take it say Enya Woody be somebody's name. Mumpening for will be more concerned. Some will be investigation into this allegation because about down our national security and it's a very serious thing.
Oh, and they definitely because I just leave it to them. I have to go to them and then we see the way forward. So it's their own this thing. They will clarify everything.
I see. Fraser Hassan, one-time Ghana's strongest, and aiding Komo. Yeah, put some confirmation. Telling us, Joseph, I mean, on the last time on Nhyira, when it has nothing to do with the voice, and at the tail end of the food video now on one share, you know, can Japan clarify saying, yeah, on only demon boy, but still, he's been affected several course and Eba Fraser. So, when your opportunity, Asia, Canada, Japan. To tell him one or two issues about our voice here. Then I catch no.
And medical can and we leave it to our superiors because you might be out any pass and you can't do anything behind our superiors. So I just leave it to them and then they will follow the matter.
Mobile organize Metro Mena mobile program more invite Chairman Sabunsu towards peace building.
But I don't have any intention in organizing program because then I'm in any time this time not to that kind of other sports.
Okay, Feza no pay maminyao. I'm grateful. Say we nyamrena oni e kasa clarify a few things amaye.
Thank you very much, sir.
Right.
Thank you very much.
Fraser Hassan, a one-time Ghana's strongest, and what did the position Jano. Mr. Yamin.
Go ahead.
I think, sir, you are exonerated there. Your relationship with Fazer. Because Fazer said, on Sanso or more national security. Indeed, I confirm, sir, or ne as much and nante, but not necessarily in the position of 8. Was it before the close of this week? Ube taking legal action against Kennedy Japan.
Yeah.
Already, lawyers are initiating process, and as a fina will take up.
Omuguswa, meno cases here, almost a documentation here, complete. And you see, Kobi Nyamia Darum, I was in Yami or Pan of Paso with Shiranipa. So, I'm saying, maybe DNA, say, Japan back in some of Kai. Now, my name is Naja. Nisika kakra when you know so ye pack kakra the two ye mibutum. But you see, young fan you may be fan to hoyi. This thing is repeating itself after so many years. In 2008, Canada Poye the same thing. That is why we will not sit down for him to do Nyoyan. But me manuso nyana against will be surono in any way. In 2008, and I still have the recordings near there. If you say just so we blast it off. But on the radio station, so SFM. I can the same thing 25th December 2008. Metia sorry them, and I mean your calls from them. Mostly me was sorry I'm in call, but the calls were coming. Me fire. I fear baby I will be ano. Baby chena. Yeah now so SFM say only soja fuwe shia. Mu to see a meeting. Indeed, me kwa sorry so embarrassed. My sorry, me kwa nyenchira is just a border to the barras. Into of course, they were barras no. Man sorry I'm free honoma. National security by the chimney because as a minister of Fueshia. When I was in the church back in the Japan. Indeed they came. Unfortunately for me, on the day of election, chimney. And the also for treason. What kind of idea that the party Ghana have? Oh, you are losing an election because what buying a bomb? Not because of say be pair or look at the Japan. Why would we go and sit down and waste our time to think about Yekun in Japan? Oba. Yabaka ko bin si Yebekun ko ba in Japan. Obi obey side in Ghana just study for go na ngasa no onye serious. In Japan and abroad. Uncle Pastor for one. Some people before no lose confidence in him because Wakasa had said another than before the time. So, 2007 or 2008, you busan another question for Japan sense here. Okay, because he has alleged the MPP for Kushiawo Alisa Hotel so Mbukuno. Because means all the whole Kaisa here. And if you meet the press series, to be Busa President Nanado Danko for the second Japan, same way and how was you Mungan Natano. Na nado danko akufuado na numa se wosi munyano na sanoti okasaka sasa am say we lose relevance into no whole more no pass in no dey at all, and that is why the national security should have called him.
Yeah, I mean
because he has put in my life, my family's life, and omudini in our life in danger.
Who feel it
threatened?
Who feel it threatened?
About the kum expatriate near the market. And then I market Ghana.
I mean, who feel it threatened? I was allegations here against you, Anna.
I will feel threatened because you don't know an expatriate who is seeing you from afar. Say, there are Ben or no, that is where I feel threatened. Not Kennedy Japan as a person. And also something I mean, see you no big time. Number 10 Land Cruiser Adam and your radio station because of me some now heading. But coffee mean to me I'm facing no. They said they was me facing because I am taking legal action against him. They said the mayor and they said normal, brushing it is politics. Yeah. But I say in Japan, I mean the medical can me the next me year class no. But this time round, I am suing him into me catch and never call from Kakra. Me take action in Nhyira. Then we'll face him. So I swear, look, I mean that information I can't be so one. Means now radio soon cow. I would have called in there to arrest Omo in that meeting. Oh, you were back. and what na radio so no to kasa bag I just say me krama ba bia o me fie
Dabi let's measured kakra Mr. Linking to krama and those things I think
linking it to krama me see me kasa na o kasa no o kasa bag to me
fine
I me de example ama se krama ba bia o posin krama penyi but who be a gate I no be gane first. That is the kind of person Japan is.
So beyond the legal action, will you report the issue to the police?
Me sure the police no matter take an action no wouldn't grow free akra ma in Japan grow kumasi as say. But of course, my lawyers are taking the matter up. Definitely, yet you know on the defamation at anywhere, the criminal aspect will give it to the police to investigate.
I see. I mean, young China, who the next line of action. I think so. We're side when our clarification. No, we're grateful. We've been here, Messatun Safra. I was on for 49 minutes past 8, live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Your voice note line here 0244 320564 0244 King George, Yanina Kasa, and in the next few minutes, on also gym center, Chronom, Yakoho, you're visiting the site, or we'll call him on the line and also find out from him. We've made all the attempt to get in touch, Ora, Canada, Compro, Japan. Yansakana will talk to him. The show is not ended yet. We're feeding in the we'll bet into Argent Chabre, your voice note panel.